I want to talk about my jeans for a second.
Okay.
I think they're great.
He wants to show his...
Oh, yeah, the jeans, yeah.
I honestly, and this is no disrespect to the show,
You give the man some space, Prince.
thought that I was doing radio. Because
He did. He told me
AM.
this.
I just saw the email. I see AM. I go, okay, I'm doing radio.
Grand.
Why would they have me on TV?
Because
I
you're
don't
very
belong on
good.
Look at you.
But so I only bring one pair of pants on this tour.
And
they're a
that's
mess.
them.
No. So yesterday, I bought these jeans. But I'm just very self-conscious about...
No, they're good.
About the what do you call it?
Your ass looks
blend.
great. I'm from here.
About
Yeah,
the
it
wash.
looks great.
The
Are
wash.
they, is it a good wash?
I think
It's a good wash.
Is it too...
It's a light blue.
It's right there,
How
yeah.
is that
That's Bruce
described
Springsteen.
in fashion terms,
I think it's a
Muireann?
good wash.
I'm
It's like
sorry.
a dad
Your
jean.
mic-
Can I just say, whatever, just turn around there. Get into a Diet Coke ad from the 1990s. That's exactly what
yes.
you need to
It's
do
right
with
there.
that ball.
There.
Hi, with
He's
them.
in. He's in. He's in. Look at that beautiful wash.
I feel better now.
Mwah.
Because
You
everyone's
don't
going to be
like those
talking
jeans
about
now.
the jeans.
But you
The jeans look great.
You do. Oh, look, he loves this. You do this show
Now I'm relaxed. Let's go for an hour.
on cinema. You do the show on cinema.
Yeah.
That's basically takes the mickey out of everything Brian does.
I know.
I know.
Like Brian's a proper reviewer.
Yeah.
I know, I'm not a proper reviewer. Like Craig Turkington, who does the show on
We
Cinema.
talked about it before the show.
We did,
and
yeah.
I do have some respect for some critics.
Some-
But a lot of it's pretty silly,
Yeah.
talking about if a movie's good or not. Who cares?
He's right. I mean,
You
no,
know, you're an adult. You can decide
I can
if a
decide
movie's
if I'm
good.
gonna like
Yeah,
movie,
exactly.
yeah.
So one
Yeah.
reviewer's opinion on it doesn't matter.
No, honestly, no. I really, I mean, I love the reason I love On Cinema at the Cinema. He's absolutely right because he's very correct. Is that it is up to adults to make their own decisions on films, and I think On Cinema at the Cinema, what I love about it is that it actually does parody. Oh my God, you're looking right into my eyes. I haven't been doing this show for like 3 years. No one has ever come here that I've actually cared about.
All right,
except you.
Brian.
All right, we're here.
I know you're here, yeah, but like a guest, I mean. Anyways,
He's a handsome guy.
He is that. Look at that hair.
Right, okay.
Both of you are like hair bros.
anyways,
Really good.
but what I love about On Cinema at the Cinema is that it correctly parodies.
I love this close-up, by the way. Keep coming in.
There we go.
You went in.
I went in. We both went in.
full lip
I
kiss.
That was a
love
full
it.
lip kiss.
Did you just lob the gob?
We just.
I didn't open though. I didn't open.
Okay,
I didn't
okay.
open.
Well, that's
Good
gonna go.
morning.
I
That's,
could feel him thinking about it.
I was
that's going
thinking about it.
viral today.
Yeah.
We'll be releasing that clip today.
I wanted to talk about the Gwyneth Paltrow trial. I want
That's
to
the
talk
first
about.
kiss. That's the first
I know,
kiss
yeah.
I've
I
had
want to
all
talk
week.
about coming from Joe Rogan. Your partner will be like,
Yeah.
"Oh, you did get some action on your tour,
Yeah.
cheater."
I hope my wife isn't watching this.